So elections are in the air. And we're not talking about the East Portland by-election or the big general election. But current Cricket West Indies Board President, Mr. Dave Cameron, is being challenged by former West Indies team manager, Mr. Ricky Skerritt, in elections due at the end of March. And it not stop there so. Because the current Jamaica Cricket Association president, Mr. Wilford Billy Haven, is also being challenged by former Jamaica batsman Mark Nita in elections due tomorrow. And look, you would never know that Mark Nita is the second vice president in the current Billy Haven executive. I mean, when you hear the criticisms and the campaigning, you would never believe that Mark Nita even know who Billy Haven is. But again, there is more to this than meets the eye, because the word in the streets is that the JCA, led by Billy Haven, have not in the past and will not be supporting the Jamaican Dave Cameron in his run for a fourth term as Cricket West Indies president. So that challenge by Nita to Billy Haven could be seen as a part of a wider subplot of Nita becoming JCA president and then throwing his support behind Cameron for the West Indies Cricket Board presidency.